Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. This is our report, chapter 13. It's all about social media. What is social media? Social media are digital platforms or website that allows people to create, share, and interact with content and with each other online. Like for example, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, WhatsApp, Messenger, and Telegram. Number two is mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is a digital marketing strategy aimed at reaching a target audience on their mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets, through website, emails, SMS apps, and social media. Brand on Facebook. Facebook is one of the most powerful platforms for brands to connect with audience, promote products, and build communities with billions of active users. It offers a wide range of tools for marketing, customer service, and engagement. Types of social media. First is social networking sites that connect people, build relationships, and share updates. Like for example, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Threads. Purpose is networking, connecting with friends, professional, and contacts. Second is media sharing. Networks focus on sharing images, videos, and other media content. Examples: Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, and Pinterest. And the purpose is visual, storytelling, branding, and entertainment. Third is microblogging platforms. It allows users to share short updates, opinions, or content in real time. Examples is X, formerly Twitter, and Mastodon. And the purpose is news updates, commentary, real time, and discussions. And fourth is discussion forums and community platforms. Center topics and interests. Like for example is Reddit, Quora, and also hybrid of messaging and community. And the purpose is problem solving, community, support, niche, and topics. And the last one is messaging apps. Social messaging apps primarily for direct communication but increasingly used by businesses. Like for example is WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Telegram, and WeChat. And the purpose is private chat, customer service, and group messaging. There are so many variations that it is more useful to consider their properties rather than their particulars. First is some social media offer very rich, vivid sensory experiences such as virtual worlds or video games. With their dynamic sights and sounds that compel the users to interact and engage. By comprehension, other social media seems relatively simple, even impoverished, such as blogs and forums, which tend to resemble little more than protracted strings of emails. Second is social media after. Differ from another in that some are primarily social in nature, such as social network sites, which serve as places to asynchronously hang out with friends. On species like Facebook friends, chat and share photos, music, and videos. And the last one is social media vary with regard to whether the interactions are pointedly commercial. Word of mouth. refers to the informal communication between people about a product, service, brand, or experience. It can be either organic, naturally occurring, or influenced through marketing strategies. What are social networks? Social networks are online platforms that enable people to connect, interact, and share with others, whether friends, family, colleagues, or people with a shared interacts. And the last one is identifying influentials or influencers. In social media and marketing, influentials or influencers are individuals who have the power to affect the opinions, behaviors, or purchasing decisions of others due to their authority, knowledge, position, or relationship with their audience.
Good day, everyone. Let's have a continuation of our report, chapter 13. So, the next topic is all about our recommendation system. So, recommendation system are the algorithm that suggests relevant items to users by analyzing their data, such as past purchases or browsing history. A key concept in refining their system is structural and equivalence, where two actors are considered equivalent if they have the same relationship within a network. Even without direct ties, business leverage structural equivalence to targeted marketing, and also enhanced recommendation and market basket analysis, leading to improved customer satisfaction and increased sales. And next, we have a recommendation agent. So, recommendation agent are essentially form of customer relationship management, or CRM. Companies track customers' purchases and match individuals with others who have similar buying patterns. And then the purpose of this strategy is to leverage purchase overlaps to suggest product that customer might find appealing based on what others with similar tastes have both. This enhances the customer experience by providing personalized recommendation, increasing the likelihood of additional sales and fostering customer loyalty through tailored engagement. And next is social media or ROI, KPIs, and web analytics. So this is involved measuring an effectiveness of social media effort, similar to how companies once questioned the value of having a website. And then determining the return of investment, or ROI, for social media, along with identifying key performance indicators, KPS, KPI, and using web analytics help business understand the financial and strategic impact of their social media activities. For instance, a local tourism agency of Northern Mindanao might use social media to attract visitors, and also by tracking metrics like website visit from social media links, engagement rates on posts, rate on posts, and the number of bookings generated through social media campaigns. The agency assess whether their social media investment is yielding positive return in terms of increased tourism revenue, brands awareness. And let's proceed. The next topic is all about pre-purchase awareness. So the pre-purchase awareness, this primary marketing goal is awareness, ensuring customer are conscious of a brand and consider it for purchase, which we with measuring the size of the audience exposed to brand information is a key metric. For example, a new coffee opening in Cagayan de Oro might distribute flyers and run social media ads targeting local residents. The reach would be the number of people who receive flyers or saw the ad. And then by maximizing which, the coffee increase the likelihood that potential customer will become aware of its existence and consider this thing when deciding where to have coffee. Next topic is all about the pre-purchase or brand engagement. So this topic was all about tracking customer action that indicates they are moving closer to making a purchase. This action will not actual purchase serve a hopeful signals. For instance, a local bookstore in Iligan City might notice that customers frequently visit their website, spend time browsing specific book joins adds book to their online cart that doesn't complete the purchase or signed up to their newsletter. This behavior, while not resulting immediate sales, show the customer interested and engaged. The bookstore can can then use the information to send target promotion or personal recommendation that encourage the customer to finalize purchase. Then we have purchase or behavioral engagement. Purchase and behavioral engagement. So in this topic, ideally the customers moving toward purchasing, having however, just any salesperson knows a number of steps serve precursor that nevertheless hopeful signal the ultimate purchase. And next we have the YouTube. So nowadays we have a question about our product. So let's go to the YouTube. So kadalasan po customer simplify mahilig talaga sila manood ng videos. So in YouTube we can inform and sell, educate. We have share idea what our our product have, and siyempre entertain for the customers so that we can buy our product. And for more YouTube is very helpful as and also the customer. And then the last one is post purchase. In crucial for business as it focus on nurturing customer relationship long after sale has been completed. In today's online environment, companies can gather direct data on customer experience, which allows them to identify and encourage satisfied customers who become brand evangelists, or also known as a brand ambassador or advocates. So the customer often share positive endorsement and review, which significantly influence potential buyers. Companies actively reward these loyal customers to foster continued advocacy. So, for example, a boutique hotel in Camigan, Northern Mindanao, after a guest check out, might send a personal email asking for feedback and encouraging them to share their positive experience on social media platforms, Facebook, or tip browser. The hotel can monitor online review and social monitors or post-purchase data. Mo siya gitawag, uh, and that we call for post-purchase data. If a guest posts a glowing review and posts photos, the hotel might reward them a discount, a future stay, or a special welcome amenity upon their next visit. This strategy turns happy customer powerful marketing assess driving new bookings through authentic word of mouth recommendation reach the local and tourist communities. And also we have Twitter. So Twitter is popular because with the people never feel so to touch lonely bored. So the popular site of those that are informative, interesting, and fun. So ito po sa Twitter, marami po tayong makikita or mapapanood na mga naka nakabigay sa atin ng idea siyempre about business and etc. And that's all guys, thank you.